You're either here or you're here. Sorry, here. And you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna keep this knee pointed back that way. Don't overcross it here. Keep it a little bit in front of you because that's where our turnout is. 5, 6. It kind of gets to a wave and then pushes out. Let's keep the wrists really lifted. And then the hands should go straight up into a glove as you drag to point. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it'll be the same arm and leg on the other side. I'll do this side since the other video has the other one. 5. So 4. You're grabbing the hands on 4. And the elbows are bent. You lean forward 5. Back 6. Through coup de pied 7. Back of hand on top here. 8. Okay, smoothly through once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Really let the tail go up here. 7, 8. You got this.